you have to take off this one. This is for sound, otherwise it doesn't work. I mean, it's working, but there is no voice, so you have to take off. There is just, can't look at this. See, and this is the reverse camera. I already put this one already. I bring the wire all the way down here to the back, and it's coming all together. Looks nice, and the wire going all around to inside, and then from here you can see, and then around there. If you have something like this, it will be good. Look. Let me show you. So, I'll put the wire. This is just to be ready. And also I have GPS, I have some other things I have to put under this cover, and then again the wire have to come here, and also the speaker I need to put here somewhere or here, and then wire from inside there, bring it here to be ready. And I have to take off this one. I've changed it to this color, and if your car have similar shape, it doesn't fit, or it will be, maybe you need to cut it, but it's not gonna be nice. Yeah, so I bought another one, which is, I didn't find this color. I bought it, it's exactly this one. So I need to change this one to put the plug stuff, and then this aux I have to put the wire and bring it all the way down here. Now I need to cut. I don't wanna, I wanna just cut it nicely, so it's better, otherwise will be some movement. So I will be taking on this one. You just can do like this, and this one is strong. Need to put the ignition on to just take off this one. There is only this one you need to take off, and that's it. I just put this wire to see the light working. So I just want to say something about this one. It's a very nice, a good brand. Well, it is Chinese, but it's really good quality. I bought it on AliExpress, and I'm not sure, maybe you can find it on this website. The guy, he's very good. Well, I'm not doing reclam, but already I did bought it 4, and all of them is good quality. But make sure you buy 64 gigabyte and 32 RAM for the screen. It's really quicker, because I tried other one, the lowest one. I think, I don't know, 8 gigabyte RAM or something. It's really slow when you start the car, and it's coming all wire, everything nice, all information, and the screen is really big, nice, and it's coming with all information, which is the rest of them. If you watch my video, you can see. The only thing I don't like, I spent more than half an hour to just trying to make this one little bit, you know, to sit properly. But I will make something, you know, on the bottom to try to make it. This side will sit nicely only here, because of the dashboard, it's not straight. And another thing I was talking about, my car didn't have this one, which is it's required to have this one. It's easy to taking off, and you put other one. That's why I bought this one, and you can see it's different color. Yeah, so if your car have this one, it's nice, easy to fit it. If you don't have, I'm not sure. Especially this one is for convertible. I just bought it before because there was nothing on eBay. Even if your car have just a glass, you can cut it around. But if you have this one, I don't think so, because it's not enough space. Yeah, so I'll show you rest of the thing to fit it in. I have this one, which is, if you forget, there is no sound, so you have to make sure you put this one there. Yeah, and I want to put somewhere nice and bring it there, and it will come to this wire. So you see, when you fit everything, and this will go there, here, yeah, to give it the sound. And also the wire I showed you, this one, yeah, you have to take it off from the big connection, and then when I put this one, yeah, I have to put it there, you see, otherwise there is no sound. And yeah, I will start to do rest of the work. Yeah, let's see. I will finish first here. I will put back everything, put the wire under to bring it down on the screen, and then after I will put the screen. First I need to put this one. I did open already. You see, just pushing it, push it back, and then you can take it off easy. I can't really. Oh, yes. So now I have to use this one. So it's nice. See, you have to put here first. Yeah. Well, actually, I can't do the one hand. Yes, after 5 minute trying, it's little bit, you need to probably cut it or like just make it straight on the bottom. You will see it when you do. And yes, so the wire, it have to go under and come back to the screen, because it's going to the back of the screen. But first, make sure you put this one nicely. If you want to put holes somewhere, or just put it there. Well, I don't know, that's the only idea I have. So if you know something better, do it. You see, I made it straight to just put the wire, and also to make sure this plastic, when it's going in, to not break the wire. I think I need to do little bit more. Little bit. Yes. Perfect. Look at this. It's nice. When you put this one, yeah. That's it. See? It's nice. And let me put back this one as well. And this one I have to put all the way. But before you taking off this one, make sure to take off this one, you know. Otherwise you will just break something. You see? Yeah, make sure you just put something like this. Yeah, put on here. It came off. And with the hand you can just push it. It will came off. See? It's nice. And I don't need this one anymore. Only left to put the wire on. Yeah, I think it's good place to, and then you can bring here. So I need to do same on this one, but this one is exactly coming to here. Where is the screen? See, I didn't put the screw yet, but it sits nicely. Yeah, even this is my car, but I tried too many ways. So even I warmed this one to just sit on here, but I think because of the dashboard, you know, it's not straight, that's why it doesn't sit. Tried many other ways, it doesn't sit properly. I'm not sure if on the left hand side is same or not, but that's the only thing I don't like. Yeah, I put this one as well. You have to come here, but make sure don't bring straight away to there, otherwise, you know, the CD thing is not gonna sit properly. So you have to just put under and then bring here. Yeah, now I don't need this one. I will put it back because everything ready. I just need the wire for the speaker, and that's it. Yeah. Prefer the wire to be in this side, not the other side, because there is a gearbox cable or something there. Need to put brake. That's it. I don't have nothing to do with the here. So now we need to put this one. Or I can put later. Now I need to try to put all the wire. This one is for if you want to use USB, or if it's not Apple, Android, then you're using this one. Same, the wire coming from the screen, and where you want, it's up to you. You want to put the, where is the, here or anywhere. Like I said, always put the wire there, not straight. Otherwise, when you put the CD, it doesn't sit properly. And this is the speaker wire. You have to put on this one. The wire comes. This is Chinese. That's what I'm talking about. If you bring the wire straight to there, yeah, it doesn't fit. So you have to put it back, you see, on the back of there. And you see this wire, this is the speaker, and this is exactly what's sitting there. Got two holes. You need to make sure which one you put. I will put this one because this is the one, and then you can put it in. But I still have other job to do. But I think I can put back this one. I don't need it anymore because I need job to do only in here. So, and this is the wire, which is comes from here. You have to put here, otherwise no sound. You see, like this. And I will push the wire. It's too long, so you see, I will push it down there to have a space to put this one in. See? Have this one, I don't know, it's an antenna or it's a GPS. We have this one as well. I think this one is a GPS or antenna. Anyway, so you can put this one there. It's a tab sticker, and bring the wire all the way into here. And same as this one as well. But there we have a speaker for the phone, I think. I prefer to put here and all the way down from there to bring here. I think this is a good idea. Okay, I put GPS there. I put some of them here. It depends. Some people even they will put somewhere there, so it depends where you like to put. And it's good to have something like this. Just use it when you can reach your hand there. But Don't need this one anymore. I don't know if I done a good job or no, but I did. So I thought I will be a clever little bit. So I wanted to put back the original. Let me pull. So I'm not using this wire, but I thought it's just to be there nicely. I don't want to be messing around. So I put it like this, and when I need it, I just going to like this, pull it out, use it, and you can just close it, or can pull it there wherever you want, and then I can put it back. I think it's okay. So now it's time to just test to see if it's working everything, and then I put back screen. I think the best place to put the speaker, someone I think I did last time put there, but I think better in here. It's close to you and it's not too big, but in the camera showing. And this one is going all the way there. Just want to test, see if it's everything working. Yes. Now I put back 2 screw and I put wire there to stay nice. And all the wire. Here I will sort it. And this one as well. Put back this too as well. This one is just pushing and that's it. Now we are done. And left to bring the screen to just try to see it, and then I have to make sure to put this one properly before I put any wire. So this is this plastic, which is this one. It's exactly, it's connect here. So you put 6 screw, 3, and then one of them, it's going to exactly this one. You can try put one of screw here as well to make sure it's stronger. And this is the screen. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one staying here. Just to check. This one is left as well, which is there. So how many wire? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wire. I'm just going to try to see if it's working. It's quite slow, maybe for this first time. Let me connect Bluetooth and then to see with the Wi-Fi. If you have iPhone, you connect it straight away. It comes here. I have no battery. And there is music. I need to add YouTube actually. Why there is no YouTube? Yeah, and also there is some of them coming with the 3 wire, but the brown one you have to connect with the camera, which is showing here, see? Otherwise it doesn't work, you see? So I'm connecting the, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connecting the Wi-Fi. And yes, connected. It's coming 3 small screw. Even the hole for the bracket, it's like bigger than screw. Fuck, you know. Yeah, one of them I didn't tighten up. Look. So what I'm going to do to make it better, I'm going to make one bracket to here and one here. Actually, they should have similar to this one, from here and from here to sitting properly, because this is only sitting one screw, and if you put one more screw here it's better, but still it doesn't put the gap to properly sitting. So I'm going to make bracket. Look, even they did, but didn't, I don't know. I'm trying to make one, so we'll see. Got this two, one here, one here. I'm going to try this one to see how does it fit. That's what I want. Put one there, and the original one I put 2 screw. Why doesn't so? So I put 2 screw there, and I have to make one more bracket for here to this one sit properly as well. But now even I put just the one I made, it's very good. If I make one more for here, it will be great. One screw going to be there, two, and this one will stay exactly in here. Will be perfect. Doesn't look nice, but it's perfect. It should be like this, you know, not just one screw and it doesn't look nice, doesn't sit properly, or some people saying it's moving because it's only one screw. So if they would make like this, it will be better and stronger. Otherwise it's nothing, because they're only one screw and everyone putting one screw. You can put one more there, but it's better like this. Look, I put one screw there, one here, and done, and two small bracket. That's the problem. You have to put the screen wire, then you can put in. It's not like a F10 or F30. You just put this one and then you put screw, because this one is short. If they would make it longer, or this bracket longer, you would fit this one properly, and then after you will put screen. But well, they don't want to make it better, so you have to put the screw. And now I need to put the wire, and then I can put back. Otherwise you can't. You need to put all wire, and then you can put in. So this is one screw only. Look up here, our gap. So I'm going to put this two screw, then you will see what's the difference. Look how gaps there. So this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, look at here. I'm sure till tomorrow it will sit properly, because it's very strong, so the plastic will more relax more and will be no gap. And I still have to put one more screw to there. See, one here, one there, and I have this one. Oops. So I will put this one as well, and then that's it. All done now. I put double tape to not put it very tight as well. Otherwise it's all going down here. If there is nothing, no bracket, nothing, it will go down, and it's not easy when you put back this things. I don't know what even what they call. And yeah, so still need to take off this one, but because it will get dirty, so I will keep it for later. Don't know which one to put. I think original one is better. Let's see. didn't take it off this tape because the car still need to finish. I don't want to get dirty, but let me connect the Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's I connect to Wi-Fi, so YouTube it's updating because there was latest version. So now it's, we'll see how quality. Yeah, the quality it's better to take off this one, but the car needs more work to do, and I need to leave it in the paint or something, so I don't wanna get scratched or something. So I'll take it off later.
Salam alaikum, всем вам добрый вечер, пацаны. Настроили кале işleniştek. Koçalarını gulat kılışka jelani akale. Hammasi yaxmali yoki galak. Yollarimiz yo'qonamiz berizdan tezroq. Tashnalikdan o'zimiz